Welcome to our journey through 25 fascinating facts about food and nutrition. From the origins of our favorite dishes to the surprising health benefits of certain ingredients, get ready to expand your culinary knowledge. Did you know that the world's oldest known recipe dates back over 4,000 years? It's a recipe for beer found on ancient Sumerian clay tablets. Looks like humans have been enjoying a cold one since the dawn of civilization. Chocolate isn't just delicious, it also has some surprising health benefits. Dark chocolate, in particular, is rich in antioxidants and can help lower blood pressure. So go ahead, indulge guilt-free. Ever wonder where ketchup comes from? It originated in China as a fermented fish sauce called kutsayap. It wasn't until the 19th century that tomatoes were added to create the condiment we know and love today. Fermentation is one of the oldest food preservation techniques in the world. From kimchi to yogurt, this process not only extends the shelf life of foods, but also enhances their flavor and nutritional value. Potatoes have played a crucial role in shaping human history. In the 19th century, a potato blight led to widespread famine in Ireland, resulting in mass emigration and significant cultural impact. Today, potatoes remain a staple food in many parts of the world. While the term superfood gets thrown around a lot, there's no official definition for what qualifies as one. In reality, many everyday foods like spinach, blueberries, and nuts offer impressive nutritional benefits without the hype. Ever wonder why chili peppers are so spicy? It's thanks to a compound called capsaicin, which binds to pain receptors in your mouth, triggering a burning sensation. But don't worry, drinking milk can help alleviate the heat. Carotenoids are pigments found in many fruits and vegetables that give them their vibrant colors. But beyond aesthetics, these compounds also have powerful antioxidant properties that promote eye health and protect against certain diseases. Plant-based diets are gaining popularity for their health and environmental benefits. Not only are they rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but they also have a smaller carbon footprint compared to meat-heavy diets. Ice cream has a history that spans centuries and continents. While ancient civilizations like the Persians and Chinese enjoyed frozen treats made with snow and fruit juices, it wasn't until the 17th century that ice cream, as we know it today, was invented in Europe. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. Eating a nutritious breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, boosts your energy levels, and can improve cognitive function throughout the day. Sushi has become a beloved culinary tradition around the world, but its origins are humble. In ancient Japan, sushi was originally a way to preserve fish by fermenting it with rice and salt. It wasn't until the Edo period that modern sushi, with vinegared rice and fresh fish, emerged. Quinoa is often hailed as a superfood for its impressive nutritional profile and versatility in cooking. Originally cultivated by the Incas in South America, quinoa is packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Did you know that taste is influenced by more than just your taste buds? Factors like aroma, texture, and temperature also play a role in how we perceive flavor. That's why food can taste different depending on how it's prepared and served. Food allergies are on the rise, affecting millions of people worldwide. While the exact causes are still being studied, factors like genetics, environmental triggers, and changes in diet may contribute to this trend. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for its health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. It emphasizes whole grains, fresh fruits and vegetables, olive oil, and lean proteins like fish and poultry. Want to live a long and healthy life? Look no further than the Okinawan diet. Residents of Okinawa, Japan, are known for their longevity thanks to a diet rich in vegetables, tofu, seaweed, and sweet potatoes. Food waste is a major global issue, with billions of tons of food discarded each year. Not only does this waste contribute to environmental problems like greenhouse gas emissions, but it also perpetuates food insecurity and economic inequality. Coffee lovers, rejoice! Studies have shown that moderate coffee consumption may reduce the risk of various diseases, including Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and type 2 diabetes. Just remember to go easy on the sugar and cream. Umami, often described as the fifth taste, is the savory flavor found in foods like tomatoes, mushrooms, and aged cheeses. Discovered by Japanese scientist Kikuni Ikeda in the early 20th century, umami adds depth and complexity to dishes around the world. Trans fats, found in many processed and fried foods, have been linked to heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. That's why many health organizations recommend limiting your intake of these harmful fats. Ever wonder why certain foods taste better together? It's all about complementary flavors and textures that enhance each other's qualities. From sweet and salty to sour and spicy, experimenting with food pairings can elevate your culinary experience. Food delivery has come a long way since the days of horse-drawn carriages. Today, with the rise of apps and online platforms, you can have virtually any cuisine delivered to your doorstep within minutes. Talk about convenience. Gluten-free diets have gained popularity in recent years, but for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, avoiding gluten is a medical necessity. However, for the majority of the population, gluten is perfectly safe to consume and can be found in many grains like wheat, barley, and rye. Food has a unique ability to bring people together, fostering social connections and cultural exchange. Whether it's a family dinner, a holiday feast, or a simple meal with friends, the act of sharing food transcends language and borders, creating memories that last a lifetime. And there you have it, 25 fascinating facts about food and nutrition. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the culinary world and learned something new along the way. Remember to savor every bite and appreciate the rich history and science behind the foods we love. Thanks for watching.